Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can do YouTube Live and what are the settings that you need to do before starting a YouTube Live. Okay, so just click on the channel icon, then click on settings. Once you go to the settings, then click on channel status and features. So let that get open. Now once you do that, you have something called as live streaming. You just have to enable that. Okay, so let me just enable that. Congratulations, you have been enabled for live streaming. That means it has been enabled now. So now let me show you how to do YouTube Live. Okay, let me just close this and go to YouTube. So once you go to YouTube and when you have logged into YouTube and when you click on this create icon, you will see go live. Okay, so just click on this. Once you click on that, it will open up the setup for going live, and there are a couple of information that you should be filling. Okay, so let me just quickly show you that. Say for example, I want to say here as test YouTube Live. Okay, I don't want to go public right now since I'm just doing it for test purpose. Let me just put this as unlisted. Okay, that means only people with the link will be able to see the live streaming. Okay, now you have also an option for schedule for later. I'll just go down and again it says, is this video made for kids? Based upon whatever your content is, select yes or no. I'm going to select no because it's not made for kids. And you have more options also available. Just click on that. You can actually see the camera which is being used, that is the integrated camera, the microphone which is used. Okay, and if you again click on advanced settings, basically these steps are not required, only for your knowledge I'm just sharing this. Say for example, if you go to advanced settings, then you can actually allow people to chat or you can disable that. You can also enable or disable monetization for this. So those are the settings that are there. Let me just come back. Okay, so once you just entered the title and whether you want to be public or unlisted, whatever, after that all you need to do is just click on next. Okay, so it's going to take a thumbnail. So okay, it's going to shoot a thumbnail. Okay, so it just captured a thumbnail. Now once that is done, sometimes it might be hidden just because of the other options there. You just have to click on go live and that's it. It will start going live. So let me just click on go live. So it says going live. It's going to start in. So that's how you go live. Hope you like this video. So start YouTube Live. Thank you. And all you need to do is end stream once you are done. And you should be able to see the chat and other things that that will be coming here on this side. Okay, once somebody is chatting with you. Okay, so let me just end the stream. Are you sure you want to end your stream? Yes, just click on end. That's it. And once you do that, you have an option to edit in studio. Basically like where you want to add the keywords, write more detailed description and things like that. That is something that you could do. Just click on edit in studio once you are done with live streaming and edit the way normally you do for all other videos. Okay, so just go to details. You will see the video details. You can enter the title, detailed title, description. You can put a thumbnail. Okay, and you can also add the tags and everything. And after that, you can just save it if it's already public, or else you can make it from unlisted to public. So that's how you go live. Thank you.